My name is Idris Demir and welcome back to the channel. Today we have another phone unboxing video. As you can see from this package, we got from Al Anis. And the package is right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open this packaging. Now this is a little difficult than usual, but I'm trying my best here. Fun fact, this is the same shop where I bought my own Google Pixel 7 Pro from before. We see the phone box kind of sneaking in. Here is the phone box. It says $3,999. Yes, that is the actual price of the phone. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the price label. There we go. There's a little bit of white, but we'll leave it at that. Now here's the phone box. We can see the product photo. And on the right side it says Google Pixel 10 Pro. Yep, not the bigger XL version. At the back side of the box we can see the specifications, the storage size, screen size, and some translations. And on the left side is the same text. You can actually feel that one. And at the bottom of the box we have the barcodes. Not sure about this small white label here. I think it's the first time I've seen one, and I guess that might be helpful if you're stocking the phones like for inventory, you know, if you have multiple units. The camera focus is somehow not cooperating, but we will proceed in removing the pull tabs. This box is a little bit different because it has this like front sleeve. There we go. One more here. Now we can slide the sleeve. Then as you can see, we have the line drawing of the phone, as well as the overall recycled box look. You know those little bits and dots? Yeah, that is a recycled one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open this box. Now, first things first, on the cover of the box, you can see the cutout for the camera bar. But this time, it's also the place for the paperwork. That's actually smart. Now for the paperwork, we are greeted with a QR code. as well as some safety guidelines and all that, translation on a different language. On the back side of that paperwork is the SIM card tool. This pill shape cut out here reminds me of the camera bar. Now let's go ahead and return it. Again, the camera focus, sorry for that, but maybe because of a almost 4 months break. Now lifting the phone up. We're gonna check the rest of the box. Now from here, we can see the USB-C to USB-C cable. It's a white one. And I believe it's the same as my Pixel 7 Pro. The only difference is it has a different container. And once again, the cutouts and the shapes reminds me of that iconic camera bar from Pixel line. Now let's put this on the side. Now here's the phone with the big camera bar with 3 lenses and a flash and a temperature sensor. Now I'm going to remove this protective film. Now that's a little difficult than usual once again, but let's proceed with the main event. Now here's the back side of the Google Pixel 10 Pro. I can see the G logo in the middle and the soft touch glass back. I really like this one. On the left side of the phone, you can see the flat sides, 2 antenna lines and no buttons or whatnot. The front, we can see the selfie camera. On the right side is the same railings, the same button layout with the power button and volume rocker. At the bottom is our USB-C port and the speaker grills. It seemed asymmetrical at first, but if you really look into it, it's really like in place and symmetrical. Now I miss showing the top of the phone, but that contains the SIM card tray and 1 center antenna line. Now the boot up of this phone is a little bit quicker. We can see that Gemini AI animation. This bouncing animation is the same as before. Now, for a quick comparison on my Pixel 7 Pro here, we can see the screen size. The Pixel 7 Pro has the curved screen. Turning it around, we can see the flat side versus the curved side. And on the back, mine has the matte black skin, but the back of it has a shiny glass. But I prefer the other one from the Pixel 10 Pro. Same layout at the bottom, but a little bit bigger speaker grills. Same layout on the right side as well, but a little bit bigger buttons. I want to take this moment to thank my dear colleague Khaleelur. This is actually his second personal phone, but he gave us an opportunity to unbox it and share it with you guys. So huge props to you. Now here's our final look for the Google Pixel 10 Pro. That's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. It feels good to be back. and subscribe to see future content. I'll see you on the next one.